Hi everyone! If you are flying into Switzerland, chances are you'll land at Zurich Airport. As the country's largest international airport, it's the main entry point for travelers from all over the world. In this video, I'll show you how to continue your journey from the airport to other destinations by train. So today we are heading to Schaffhausen, a charming town in northern Switzerland, not far from the German border. Just beyond the arrivals area is airport shopping, a public part of the airport with plenty of stores, restaurants and services. It's a great place to grab a bite, pick up last-minute items, or simply unwind before continuing your adventure. From there, you also have direct access to the airport's railway station, which is located right underneath. Let's talk tickets. If you like things digital, you can buy one online through the SBB website or the SBB mobile app. It's quick, easy and ready on your phone in just a few taps. Prefer a paper ticket? No problem, there are plenty of ticket machines at the airport, plus a staffed ticket office if you need help or have questions. For this trip, I paid 12 Swiss francs and 10 Rappen for a second-class ticket. The journey takes around 49 minutes and covers roughly 46 kilometers. We'll be riding the RAB 514. I'll tell you more about this train later in the video. Here we are at Zurich Airport's train station. To reach Schaffhausen, we'll take an S-Bahn train. The S-Bahn is Zurich's suburban rail system, connecting the city with surrounding towns and regions. Most lines are operated by SBB, the Swiss Federal Railways, though a few are run by other regional operators. Generally speaking, the Swiss railway system is famous for its precision, cleanliness and comfort. So trains usually come on time. As always, let's take a quick look at some train facts. This is the RAB 514, a double-decker electric multiple unit developed by Siemens Transportation Systems. 61 of these trains were produced between 2005 and 2009. In first and second class combined, the train offers seating for 378 passengers. Its maximum operating speed is 140 km per hour. So this is the second-class cabin on a Swiss S-Bahn. A 2x2 seat configuration with limited luggage space above the seats and anywhere else, frankly. We've now left Zurich, and as expected with the S-Bahn, the train makes several stops along the way. It's an urban-suburban rail system after all. One of those stops is Winterthur, which is actually Switzerland's sixth largest city. The railway station in Winterthur is one of the 5 busiest in the country. Around 135,000 people use it on a typical workday. And now I'll give you a moment to take in the scenery. Enjoy the Swiss towns and landscape. I'll be back in 25 seconds. We've arrived in Schaffhausen, the capital of the canton that shares its name. It's best known for the powerful Rhine Falls, a picturesque old town, and the famous Swiss watch brand IWC. time for a quick evaluation of this trip. Overall, the railway service did exactly what it's supposed to. The train was on time, the cabin was clean, and the infrastructure at Zurich Airport really makes it easy to continue your journey by train. As for downsides, there are a couple worth mentioning. First, there was no Wi-Fi on board, which might be inconvenient for some travelers. And as I mentioned earlier, luggage storage is limited, especially when the train is crowded. That can make the ride less comfortable. But aside from those minor drawbacks, it's a solid offering from SBB. Okay, so that's it for this time. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful. If so, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for tuning in, and have a great day wherever you're watching.